Hey, so I'm just gonna make a quick tutorial on how to download this game. So when you get to the site, it's gonna look something like this. You can start by clicking download here. The game only works on Windows, so make sure you're on a Windows device and not a Mac. When you click to download, it's gonna come up with this. Just make sure save file is filled in. Then click OK. It's going to save either here or down here if you're using a Chrome browser. But when you get the file saved, you want to go back to your desktop, right click on the screen, new, and then folder. Name this whatever you want. I'm gonna name it game. Open it up. Then you can go back to your browser, find the file, and just hold and drag it, and then drop it into the folder. When you do this, you wanna right click it, open, file explorer, OK, and it's gonna look something like this. Then you want to go to projectangel.exe. Just um, double click on this and then extract all. And then just extract. There you go. Everything is in here. You can close this and this down. It's gonna be in this new file. So open that up and then you can open the game up. Projectangel.exe. When you open it up, it's gonna try to predict your PC because it doesn't understand it or it doesn't recognize the file. So, but it's no risk to your PC. It's just that it doesn't recognize it. It's an unknown publisher. But you can just click the more and then run anyways. And then it's going to open up. And that's everything there is to it.